Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nusayb Al-Rajhi, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Forus. We are based out of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Forus is the fastest and most compelling way to lend in the market. What that means is that it has manifested itself to what we think and we believe is new private debt, or in fintech terms, crowd lending. We are one of 3 licensed crowd lending platforms in Saudi Arabia by the Saudi agency SAMA. What that has allowed us to do is create a new investment class. So both individual and institutional investors can invest in a new investment class that has lower risk, higher yields, and a more steady income. What that also solved is getting loans to unbanked businesses. So in Saudi today, 95% of loans are unmet. That market is about 46 billion in size. That is the opportunity that we are filling, with roughly 500,000 SMEs. So let's start with our demo. All right, so once investors come on the landing page, they can jump right through to the marketplace. They can browse through different SMEs, look at different risk ratings, different opportunities, different yields, and start browsing and looking for an opportunity to invest. So let's say an investor looks at Holly's Containers. This looks like a great business. We've designed the user experience as founders to streamline the customer experience, reduce friction, but more importantly, prime the simplicity of investing. So we want to make investing as fast and as simple as possible. So when you look at the loan, you look at all the snapshots, the risk, the yield, you then move on to look at the key financial figures. So this is important to prime investors who are everyday people of how healthy is this loan? Do I really want to be a part of this? What does this mean for me? So once they make a decision, they jump to investing. So this is a risk assessment, and this is very important in terms of transparency, that we equalize risk and return and people understand what they're getting themselves into. So this is very easy, very simple steps. You see a snapshot of your investment. Now, what's good about this is we've created an e-wallet that actually can accept all types of payments. So in Saudi, we have Mada, we have credit cards, we have the Sadad payment, and we have bank transfers. The legacy banking system doesn't connect all of these things together, and they're actually done separately. But what we've developed is a whole pay-in, pay-out system that makes everything just spill into one box. And what that allows us to do is to empower people to make transactions quick and easy. So as you see here, someone very easily has made a payment and can now move on to monitoring their payment. So another aspect of this is the network effect. So the network effect is the most powerful effect in tech today. So investors can come online and go to the dashboard and look at their investment. So what's my revenues? When am I expecting my next payment? What are the trends? So this helps track your trends. It encourages you to make further investments. So it primes the behavior of the investor to reinvest instead of deposit the cash out of the website. Again, to emphasize the network effect, investors can also look at what are other people investing in, what's the trends happening on the website itself, and they can then participate in those investments as well. So when we go to opportunities, the top opportunities are things you've already invested in, and you can reinvest. And then under that is new opportunities on the website. So you don't need to go back and look for new companies, they just come to you. So the website understands what kind of things you're interested in, and it just primes you to make that investment again and again. So here, it's really important to kind of interact with the investors and look at their payments and what that looks like. It's important to know that when we say investor, it really means everyone can be an investor. Investments begin 1,000 riyals up to 10,000 riyals. You can be an individual investor, you can be an institutional investor, you can be any type of investor. So thank you. Again, this is made to be Very simple, very frictionless, and this is what we aim to do. Please come by and have a chat with us if you're interested in Forus or the Saudi market. Thank you.